Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. Welcome to today's lesson. In our past lesson, in the previous lessons, we started with the basics, which are the alphabets, ABD in the Igbo language, the vowels, the consonants. We have done this once in the past lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to begin with the pronunciation of some few words, the words that start with letter A. Gradually, we are going to be picking it stage by stage, one after the other. But for today's lesson, we are going to pronounce the few words we have here. We have about 30 words that start with letter A. So we are going to do it together once again. The pronunciation, listen to the sounds. Because here we have some words which would sound differently, the same spelling, sound is different, but may have different meaning, 1, 2, or 3 meanings. So let us do it together. If you pay attention very well, you will understand them. They are simple, they are easy to understand once you pay attention. Let us begin. Number 1, here we have abali. Abali is simply night. Number 2, we have ada. Ada is regarded as the first girl child. That is Ada. In the same number 2, we have Ada. Ada is fall. Fall, which means Ada. So in this number 2, we have Ada, and then we have Ada. Number 3, we have abacha. Abacha. Abacha has two different meanings, though the same thing. It's just a species. There we have cassava and tapioca. That is number 3, abacha. Number 4, we have achicha. Achicha simply means bread. Achicha. Pay attention to the vowel sounds and how they are written. This is A that has dot under it. Achicha. Achicha. Bread. We have number 5, afo. Afo. In the same number 5, we have afo. Afo. Afo means stomach, belly. Afo means year, year of the calendar. Number 6, we have ago. Ago, that's the lion family. We have leopard here. Ago, leopard. We have number 7, ago. Ago. Ago means hunger. Number 8 says ara. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Ara. Ara means war. War. Number 9, we have 2 meanings there. Agua. Agua. The same spelling, the same pronunciation. Agua, beans or character, that is human behavior. Beings or character. Number 10, we have aha. Aha. And then in some dialect, you may also hear alpha. Aha and alpha. Both are the same. They mean name. What's your name? Number 11 says aja. Aja. Aja is sand. Sand. Number 12 says aji. Aji. There you will also find the dot beneath the A. Aji simply means hair. Number 13, aka. Aka. Aka is your hand or arm. Number 14 is ako. Ako. Ako is wealth. Number 15 is apa. Apa. Apa is bag, handbag, traveling bag. Number 16, ape. Ape. Ape is scorpion. Number 17, we have aqua. Here we have about 3 meanings and 3 pronunciations. Same spelling, 3 different pronunciations and 3 different meanings. Aqua is egg. Aqua is egg. In the same number 17, you have aqua. Aqua. The sound is different now. Aqua. Aqua is bird. And then we have, in the same number 17, we have aqua. Aqua. Aqua is cry. Number 18, depending on the dialect, we have ala, and then we have ana. While some dialect may say ala, some dialect may also say ana. Both are the same meaning, meaning land. Ala, ana, meaning land. Number 19, we have amoma. Here we also have 2 meanings, 2 different pronunciations and 2 different meanings of the same spelling. Amoma, the first one is amoma, which is prophecy. Prophecy is amoma. Then we have in the same 19, amoma. Amoma. Amoma means lightning. You know, lightning that comes sometimes with thunder. Lightning, which comes sometimes with thunder. Number 20, we have anu. Anu. Anu is meat. Number 21, we have anumanu. Anumanu. Anumanu is animals. Number 22, we have angore. Angore. Angore simply means joy. Joy, happiness. Number 23, we have anwụnta. Anwụnta. Anwụnta is mosquito. Number 24, we have anya. Anya. Anya is eye. Number 25, we have anyị. Anyị. Anyị is we. We are coming. Anyị na-abịa. Number 26, we have asịrị. Asịrị. Asịrị means gossip. Number 27, we have atụrụ. Atụrụ. Atụrụ is sheep. Number 28, we have here awọ. Awọ. Awọ is frog. Number 29 is azụ. Azụ. Azụ is fish or back. It has two meanings here. The same spelling of the same pronunciation. Azụ. Oh, sorry. We have here two different pronunciations, two different meanings of the same spelling. The same spelling of 29, different meanings, different sounds. So here we have azụ. Azụ. Azụ of 29 is fish. Then we have the same, in the same 29, we have azụ. Azụ. Azụ is back, my back. On the 30, we have azịza. Azịza. Azịza simply means broom, which we use to sweep. Yes, we have come to the end of today's lesson. We will continue to bring you every next lessons. Now we have gone into pronunciations of words, which is going to lead us into sentences. By the time we complete the few words that we are able to gather together, that we have in our syllabus, we will begin to move gradually into pronunciations, into making sentences. Simple sentences. From there, we move into complex ones. Thank you and have a nice day.